Have you ever opened your laptop in the morning and by noon, it feels like your brain has already lived 3 lives? Endless tabs, half-written emails, forgotten to-dos, blinking messages, and somewhere between that 5th Zoom call and the spreadsheet that won't balance you wonder, is this what working remotely was supposed to feel like? Let me tell you something powerful. It doesn't have to be this way. There's a revolution unfolding quietly, not with banners or sirens but with code and calm efficiency. It's called artificial intelligence, and it's not the villain of some sci-fi thriller, it's your new secret weapon. Today, I'll show you how to hack your productivity with AI, not in theory, not in hype, but in the raw, messy, everyday reality of remote work. Whether you're a freelancer, a digital nomad, a home office warrior, or a startup soul, this isn't just about doing more, it's about doing better, without burning out. Let's begin. Time is sacred, and yet we trade it like spare change, answering the same emails, copying and pasting from one doc to another, forgetting tasks, juggling schedules, clicking buttons until our wrists ache. But what if AI could hold the small things, so your mind could focus on the big ones? Start with your calendar. Tools like Reclaim.ai or Motion don't just organize your time, they defend it. They rearrange your schedule based on real priorities and energy patterns. Use Notion AI or ClickUp AI to turn your scattered notes into structured action. Let them summarize meetings, break down goals into tasks, and even suggest what to do next. Feeling buried in customer messages or inquiries? ChatGPT or Tidio AI can draft friendly replies in seconds, while you breathe. Remote work isn't about sitting longer in front of a screen, it's about reclaiming freedom. And with the right tools, you don't have to choose between peace and productivity. Spreadsheets. The silent beasts of remote work. They hold budgets, data, progress, dreams, and often our frustration. But here's the secret. AI loves spreadsheets. With Excel's Analyze Data feature, you can type, "Which client brought the most revenue last quarter?" and get a beautiful chart in seconds. No formulas, no headaches. Use GPT for Sheets or Excel Formula Bot to write complex formulas in natural language. No more Googling how to do a VLOOKUP at 2 a.m. Want weekly reports from raw data? Just paste it into ChatGPT and say, "Write me a summary and highlight key trends." It'll do in 10 seconds what might take you an hour. Even automation becomes magic with tools like Zapier or Make.com, connecting spreadsheets to CRMs, Slack, Gmail, building digital bridges where there used to be chaos. The result? More insight, less busy work, more clarity, fewer migraines, and maybe, just maybe, you'll start to love spreadsheets again. Imagine if you had an assistant who never slept, one who never forgot, who knew how to write, plan, summarize, translate, calculate, instantly. You already do, its name is AI. Need to create a pitch deck fast? Use Tome or Beautiful.ai and let AI build it from your notes. Creating content for clients? ChatGPT can brainstorm ideas, outline blog posts, and rewrite in your brand voice. Researching a topic? Use Perplexity AI or Claude to gather summarized, cited data from across the web. Trying to stay organized? Tools like Taskade AI or Reflect Notes help you track tasks, goals, and ideas across platforms, even suggesting what's falling behind. The truth is, the future assistant doesn't wear a suit or show up late. It lives in your browser, and it's already waiting. The more you delegate, the more you can create. And creation, not repetition, is what you were made for. Somewhere along the way we were told that exhaustion was a sign of commitment, that if you're not overwhelmed, you're not doing enough. But what if I told you burnout is not proof of passion, it's a signal you're fighting battles you don't have to. AI doesn't just save time, it saves sanity. Imagine setting up auto-tagging in your email inbox, so high-priority messages rise to the top. Or using AI journaling apps like Reflectly to process your day, your emotions, to reconnect with yourself, not just your tasks. Set up focus sessions with AI tools like Serene or Flow Club, blending accountability with intention. Let AI remind you to rest, pause, hydrate, yes, even that. Because working remotely should not feel like drowning in silence. With the right balance and the right tools, it can feel like liberation. You weren't made to be a machine, but your machine, it can serve you beautifully. You don't need to change your entire workflow overnight. Start with one task, one routine, one small friction point. Ask yourself, what drains me every week? Then let AI take the wheel just for that. Let it draft the first version of your weekly report. Let it organize your chaotic notes. Let it gently nudge your calendar back into shape. Before long, you'll notice the shift, not just in your hours, but in your mind. In your evenings, no longer haunted by undone work. In your mornings, no longer filled with dread. Because productivity isn't just output, it's how alive you feel while doing the work. And with AI as your partner, not your master, you might just feel more alive than ever before. If you've made it this far, let me say this, you're not lazy, you're not disorganized, you're human. You're human, and this world, this digital storm, was never meant to be navigated alone. So take back your time, take back your focus, let AI carry the weight it was built for so you can carry what matters. If this video brought you value, consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps this content reach more people just like you. And hey, if you're ready to go even deeper, there's another video waiting for you right here on the screen. Click it now and keep building a smarter, freer life. I'm grateful you spent these minutes with me. Until next time, breathe deep, work wise, and